Hey friends, it was cooler outside today because fall is in the air and I was ready for some soup. So let's just jump right into this. This is a favorite soup of mine. My mother-in-law taught me how to make this and it is so yummy. We're going to start off with 1 pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef. She always used pork chops in this, but I have that alpha-gal syndrome and I can't have that. Then she would use a can of spaghetti sauce, and I'm using this garlic and herb by Hunt's. I'm going to start off pouring half of it in here. Sometimes, depending on how much vegetables and meat you have, you may not use the entire can. And then we are going to add 1 12-ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables. And then I decided I wanted to make more soup and freeze some of this for an evening when, life gets hectic. So I added another 12-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. And because I did that, I'm going to finish adding the rest of that Hunt's garlic and herb spaghetti sauce. And hang on to that Hunt's can. We are going to fill that up with water and add 2 cans of water to this. So it's basically a 2-to-1 ratio when it comes to adding the spaghetti sauce and the water. Then my mother-in-law always added some corn, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of corn to this. And that is frozen corn, and so were the vegetables. They were frozen as well. Then you'll need 1 small whole sweet onion, and we are just going to slice this. Not dice it, just slice it. I don't know why that makes a difference, but it does. Just trust the process. Then we are going to pull that onion apart, add it to your soup, give it another stir, and then we are going to add some salt and pepper to taste. All throughout this process, I had my stovetop eye on to a medium heat, and we are just going to lay that wooden spoon across the top to keep it from boiling over, and it does work. We are going to cook this on a medium to low temp for about 30 to 45 minutes. And voila, about 30 to 45 minutes later, this soup is ready to be served, and you are going to love this soup.